Bruh, so we just left Bangkok. We in Chiang Mai now. Shoot, it's very different. It's very different. We in Chiang Mai. Um, shoot, yeah, we stayed in a nice spot. Um, can't really complain. Check it at 2 and it's 9:30, bro. This place not really. It's not like lit like Bangkok. It's more like on the nature side. So it's cool. Let me show you. I see it's a crazy place. I want to take a pic, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Oh yeah. See? Look at it. Look at this wall though. Bro, I don't know what to do here, gang. I really don't, but it's raining and shit. Like, god damn. Let me see something. Look. I want a picture right there. I'm gonna take one. Bro, this ain't no, it's not processed like in America, bro. This tastes straight airy, like straight like what they use, soy and whatever they use. What you talking about? They got what? Cheese. What is that? You said they got what?
Cheese.
What do they mean?
They be having pickle shit. It's good.
Is it bad, the seed?
Not in that one, but like in the healthy way. But I don't think it's enough on there.
Well, what's going on? We made it to the spot. Hey, be careful, the floor wet.
Don't come out somewhere.
This junk crazy, bruh. This the toilet. Oh.
You wanna go through this? Oh, my hands up.
Oh, we can walk through. Oh yeah, fact. I bet we can take a picture right here.
I'm going first, you?
You want me to?
Yeah, you take a picture.
Alright.
I got it.
This is some crazy pictures. Oh, sorry. Walking through here, you gotta walk hard.
Yeah, you gotta walk hard.
Bro, it only costed $2 to come in here. Yo, Kai, you're not gonna believe this. Oh, be careful. Oh, that's where we just came from. You want a picture at the entrance?
Yeah, we can. We'll do it.
All right, bet. Like I was saying, bro, this only costed $2. Bro, this place is crazy. Beijing coming on $2.
Yeah, we got in here first. Wait, we took a Like, I feel like it's like fairies and like dwarfs somewhere over
Woo, woo. Let me get out your way. I want that as well. Like, he said that where he's standing at, and I go in the middle. But they just lit, bro. Bro, they got goats, gang. Be careful, it's misty. I'm about to go see me. Be careful, it's wet. Where they at? Oh, I see a whole bunch. Like.
No, this is.
There you go right there. Oh, there's more over here.
Okay, you want to see the goat? Or the rabbits or both?
It don't matter to me.
Wait, which one would you rather see? The goat?
Yeah.
We can do the goat for you and then the rabbit for me.
Alright, be careful, it's wet.
Okay. Ooh, interesting.
Yeah, they do.
Hold on, let me roll my pants. I just found some food.
They buying.
Look at that one.
Man, they look dead, bro.
You don't want to see them? I think I might want to.
Oh yeah, come on. Bruh, these niggas, man, this is animal torture, bro. Yeah, be careful. Who's?
Oh, but I ain't got no food, bro.
Chill.
I ain't got no food.
They chilling. Oh,
He's sneezing. He got hantavirus.
bro, they gonna do it when it's wet too. Look at it, bro. Look at it. Oh hell no. Hell no. Hell no.
Video funny as shit. Oh, okay, this is cute. I'm gonna get a little B-roll.
God damn, his nuts full.
You want to take the rapper, dude?
Alright.
That looks a little different. Yes or no? You want to look in that thing?
Alright, then we walking through here. You see where we going. But the mist, gang, like. Alright, let me put my camera down. Oh, be careful, I forgot it's wet.
What is they saying?
I don't even know. Oh, we could walk through it. Okay, we gotta figure out how to get over there.
Probably all the way down and then with the left.
Yeah, it was cool at first, but god damn. What? Yeah, that's fire. Hold on, let me take a picture. Oh, we gotta walk through the mud. I ain't gonna lie, I'm not going.
Me either.
I only got one pair of shoes,
That's
gang.
what I'm saying. And then I got on slides. My toes gonna be all up to here.
Bruh. Like, this is like a fever dream, bro. I'm really not trying to fall. So this is where we took the picture over here. Dawg, this type crazy. Yeah, man. It's crazy. I'm glad we came here. This is fire, bro.
Wipe out.
Hey, Kai, I ain't gonna lie, we might as well go around. We might as well go around. This little ass boardwalk.
Let me see.
Go ahead, check it out.
What?
That little ass boardwalk.
You don't want to go around? I mean, you don't want to go on it?
I mean,
Don't chance it, because your camera not waterproof. I did though.
I love it. It's so easy.
You gonna cut the to a top off.
Gonna make my way under here. Let's see. What?
You ain't even
Nah.